Colon object
Hi guys.
Colon
I'm Miss
object
Victor,
successfully
and
summoned.
today-
Colon object successfully summoned. Colon object successfully
how
summoned.
the villagers
Colon
just
object
keep on
successfully
flying
summoned.
away.
Colon object
It's
successfully
because we made a
summoned.
cannon.
Colon object successfully
Yeah.
summoned.
This
Colon
is like a
object
cannon.
successfully summoned.
It's like a
Colon
cannon
object
villager
successfully
cannon.
summoned. Colon
I'll
object
tell you how to
successfully
make it,
summoned.
I'm gonna
Colon
use
object
to make
success.
the world and yeah. I'll tell you how to make it. Sorry about that noise though. So I need to create a new world. I'm just gonna do a flat world, and I'm just gonna just create command blocks enabled, and I'm just gonna do that. So this is how you make like a TNT cannon, but like
Press
a
T.
spawning
Return or
thing. So if you don't know how to get a command block, say give S command. Do that, and then boom.
You-
command block. So that looks pretty cool. So just put in repeat, and then summon any mob you want. I'm just gonna do cow.
command.
Just gonna do cow, and then just gonna block it up. Just gonna block it up here. Boom. And then boom, 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 boom. And I think you can do it any height you want. Okay, I'm just gonna and then put a lever. Put a lever here. Now it's gonna work. Okay, I think I forgot something. It's supposed to be in false.
Game rule comment. Colon object successfully summoned. 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 Colon object successfully summoned.